even though we've already seen some severe storms this morning. But storms will get more intense, more wind, hail, maybe even the chance to see some isolated tornadoes from late tonight through early Sunday morning. It's this right here, this overnight event that could last from midnight up until 4 o'clock. That does make me want to just remind you one more time. If you don't have our Storm Shield app, we tell you this all the time, but if you haven't downloaded it yet on your iPhone or on your Android there for Google Play, it's free and it can be a wonderful tool to have like this, where we have that risk for severe weather once the sun goes down, when we go to sleep, when a lot of folks maybe aren't paying attention to what's going on with the weather. So having that way to get info, if you have a NOAA weather radio, make sure it's working good, make sure the batteries are good in it, just in case the power goes out. Already had some power outages this morning, so we know that's a threat as well. Looking at our severe storm risk, Storm Prediction Center early this morning expanded this enhanced risk out just a bit further. Now, most Middle Tennessee counties are under this level 3 on the scale of 1 to 5. Southern Kentucky under a level 2 on the scale of 1 to 5. I don't think it really matters whether you're in the 3 or the 2 threat. We all have the opportunity today to see these strong storms. One of those that we've been watching this morning has had some damaging wind gusts with it. It does look to me like it's weakening a little bit as it moves along the 840 corridor just north of Murfreesboro. But this is continuing to push into Wilson County. It will eventually work its way into Smith, DeKalb County, Watertown around 802 for you. Alexandria, you're looking at this storm in your neck of the woods by 809. Now, this storm started to perk up a little bit more. We've noticed more of a hail core within this cell, and this has been producing hail since back in Hickman County, so it's really been going. We've had the $half size hail within this just moved over the Carthage area. It looks like it's just really out of the severe warning box. So this is going to be impacting Jackson County here very soon. Notice the hail signature with this right along Carthage, just to the southern extent of where the severe thunderstorm warning is. This is where we're seeing the largest hail right now. It does look like it's moving just north of Graniteville and up towards the Gainesboro area as well. Now, south of this, we have kind of a broken line of non-severe thunderstorms stretching all the way from Franklin, north of Columbia, back towards Hohenwald and into northern portions of Wayne County. Lots of heavy rain, lots of lightning within those, but again, non-severe at this time. Handful of some storms across the plateau. We've had some noisy storms in Overton, Fentress County, back into Cumberland, around Cookeville right now. You're getting a little break. We just have some light rain happening. Most of the noisy storms now just north of you, up into Clay and Pickett County. Now, this is going to be the theme all day long. Right around corridor. It's this area right in here where models have been hinting at just showers moving over the same area, kind of over and over today. That's going to be the theme for the first half of the day, becoming more scattered in nature through the rest of the afternoon. Now, because of that, flooding is something that we are concerned with because of how much rain we'll get and just how long we're going to see rain throughout the day today. 1 to 3 inches is possible. May get some spots up to 4. Now, any of these storms that form in the afternoon, we'll have to watch for that severe potential. Some damaging wind, hail, just like what we've had this morning. That's also a possibility. There could be some rotation in here too by later tonight. Late this evening, between 10 to 12 o'clock, so 10 p.m. to midnight, line of storm starts to develop. You can kind of see that here on this model. And into eastern portions of our area, south of I-40. This is between midnight and 2 a.m. Embedded within this line, damaging wind gusts, maybe some spin-up tornadoes look possible. So we're really not done until that final punch as that moves through. I think that threat finally comes to an end by 4, 5 o'clock in the morning. That's when it moves out of areas on the plateau. Now behind it, we still have some showers lingering around early Sunday morning, but it clears out by the afternoon. So tomorrow during the day looks a whole lot better than what today looks like. As far as our threats go, the 3 biggest ones would be wind and hail. Of course, flooding, as I mentioned, a concern too. Our tornado threat is not 0, but it is not as high as what we were looking at on Thursday. So we'll watch for rotation. I don't think we're going to see as much of that in the way of tornado warnings as what we did get Thursday during the evening. Temperatures today, despite the rain, are going to make it into the mid-70s. Overnight tonight, those storms continue. Tomorrow, showers in the morning, clearing with some sunshine in the afternoon, and we'll make it into the 60s. Now, by Sunday, when we dry out, looks like we're going to get 2 more dry days. conditions on Monday and Tuesday. Middle of the week system, want to mention that one because in the morning time, we're looking at temperatures maybe near the freezing mark Thursday morning and Friday morning. I'd say that for plant lovers. Got anything outside, we may get some patchy frost towards the end of the week. We'll have more when we come back.